Hello all you beautiful people, this is Karishma and in this video I'm going to share a few things that I've ordered from H&M and my last order from Shein. So everybody was worried about their last orders, whether the orders will reach them or not. Shein has officially declared it on their Instagram page कि सबके orders उन्हें पहुंच जाएंगे. तो अगर आपका order आपको नहीं मिला है, don't worry about it. I had placed this order 2 months before and I've received it now. If I knew that this would be my last order, maybe I would have purchased a lot more things. So it's good that I didn't know. Okay guys, I'm going to start with H&M. Say hi to everybody. So I've reached Dehradun and there are going to be a lot of ambient noises. You're gonna hear a lot of different birds. That's nice. But I'm afraid कि construction की noise भी आएगी. So sorry about that guys. First thing I want to show you is this H&M linen blend jacket and it looks very classy. I got this for 3,000 rupees and I wanted to buy this as soon as I saw it online, and this turned out to be a very good fit. I've always wanted to have a white staple blazer in my closet but did not have it till now, and this is a size 6 and the fit is very good. It's not the fitted fit, it's kind of loose fit, and I'm very happy with this purchase. Next I purchased this long sleeved basic dress and this is an extra small size. Still it's a little loose. Actually this is very loose for an extra small, but I'm a sucker for neutrals and basics, so when I saw this I wanted to buy this. The cloth is also thin. I hope it's not so thin that I can't wear it without a slip, otherwise it's too much to do for wearing a basic dress. Anyway, I really like this purchase and I'm happy with it, so I'm not returning it. Next I wanted to show you this super skinny regular waist jeans in the color grey. I purchased this for my niece but we have to return it because it's not fitting her well. So पहली बार हम H&M से online चीज़ें order कर रहे थे and we were confused about the return process because of how the current situations are. लेकिन उन्होंने return process की duration 45 days तक extend कर दी है. And it's quite simple actually. You just have to fill the form, pack your things nicely, and you have to call their delivery guy and they will come and pick up your return. So I'm going to return this. I purchased these white mules for 1,500 rupees and they're very comfortable. I'm a UK 4 when it comes to shoe sizes, and I'm very happy with H&M's shoe sizes. I knew my sizes and they fit perfectly. I really like comfortable footwear. I mean, heels are nice if I'm wearing them for a shoot or if I have to wear them with a dress, but otherwise I can't function without shoes that are not comfortable. So looking forward to wearing these whenever I get to wear these. I don't know, maybe I'll wear them around my house because where am I going out these days? Next I purchased these black block heels. They are so comfortable. I'm so happy with this purchase because with heels, even with block heels, I was thinking what if this strap is not strong enough and they won't be comfortable, but these are so comfortable. Very happy with this purchase. So even when I'm wearing a dress now, I can be very comfortable, but again, where am I going? I'm not going out for a long time. Anyways, happy with this purchase because black heels go with everything. Now it's time for this waist bag. This is such a cool waist bag and it can fit in a lot of stuff. This is for 1,500. It has crocodile pattern and it's beige in color, and once you go waist bags you can't go back because they are that comfortable. So I'm happy that it can fit a lot of stuff and very happy with this purchase. I want to say that I'm going to wear this while traveling, but that will be so not relevant because of what's happening right now, but a girl can wish. Now we come to my last order from Shein. So I totally support government's decision to ban these Chinese apps if it's better for India's economy, and more than that I want to buy, and I also want to encourage everybody to buy things that they need and not just buy a lot of things and stock it up, because a lot of us have been in this habit of just buying things that we don't need. So that is something I'm going to keep a check on. First thing I want to show you is this basic top that I purchased from Shein, and I also wanted to show you that it has a hole in it. So I've never had a product from Shein which has a hole in it, so I will let this pass by. I will also let this pass by because now Shein is not available in our country anymore. Also, I purchased this top from Shein. Actually, my niece purchased it and it fits me as well, so both of us are going to wear it. It's a tie and dye pattern and it's very pretty, and I wanted to buy something tie and dye. Now I have this. I hope she lets me wear this more often. I bought these tights from Shein, so black tights, and I have not tried them on. I hope these fit well, but I will get good use out of them for sure, because black tights, you know, we always need to wear black tights. I bought some undergarments, and undergarments from Shein were always just fantastic, so happy with those. And also wanted to show you these earrings I purchased. These are only for 18 rupees, guys. Yes, that's Shein for you. So they were on sale that day and they are only for 18 rupees. I also bought these black slides. They fit me so well. So they are great for rainy season, and they are pretty looking slides for a change. And I'm really into slides these days. I don't know why. I used to wear chappals once upon a time. I'm always going to wear slides now, I've decided, and these are very good. They were for very cheap as well. I'm not sure how much they were for. Now next I want to show you this very cool looking face mask. It wouldn't give you the protection with the filter and everything, so I wouldn't recommend it wearing as your proper face mask, but this is how it looks. Very cool looking face mask. Next, I bought these stickers for home. Let me open this. So Shein had a lot of good home decor for very cheap. I wish I had bought that sewing machine that was for like what, 400 or 200 bucks. That would have come in handy during the lockdown, because we are not able to go for alterations. Okay, this I will have to cut out because it's going to take a lot of time to open. I ordered them initially for my Mumbai home, but I think they look really nice and I'm going to use it in Pinky's room. That is my niece. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm going to leave a link for everything I purchased from H&M down in the description box, and I can't leave a link for everything I bought from Shein because, you know, it's not there anymore. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like this video. It helps a lot. Please subscribe to my channel and also say hi to me on Instagram. Until next time, please take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.